Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to set Opera GX as default browser. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Opera GX web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you find this application in the first place? Now launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. I'm using Google Chrome. In the search bar, type operagx.com. This is going to take you to the official website. Now, once you get into the official website, you're going to find the download Opera GX button. Click on that and flow through the on-screen prompt to install and download. And once you have installed and successfully downloaded it in your PC, you're going to see that it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time right here in Opera GX. That's what the homepage looks like, by the way. Now, let's hop into today's task, which is how to set Opera GX as default browser. Now, do you want to do this? Here's how. Head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to see a couple icons, really beautiful icons. So if you move your cursor to them, you're going to see that they're labeled. So just follow through till you get to settings. So go ahead and click on settings. It's going to take you to the settings window. So here you are. The first category says privacy protection, and that's pretty not what we're looking for. So you're gonna skip a lot of categories until you get to the default category. So scroll the way down and down. You can grab a cup of coffee while doing this because I'm really gonna take my time. Oh, privacy and security. This seems like where you can find it, but no, you can't find it there. So scroll the way down. Here we go. This is the default browser. So this default browser, make Opera the default browser. So what do? Go ahead and click on make default. And when you click on make default, you can see that whenever you launch your browser, Opera is going to be your default browser, except you change it to a different kind of browser. That's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna click on that. Click on that. As you can see, it doesn't like, it's just really weird that you can't even go through the same process as easy as it was to remove it from being the default browser. So you're gonna have to change and use any other browser features and just set it to default browser. So pretty much that's how it can be changed. So this pretty process, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.